I think, as you can see behind me, no one will have seen it in this condition since before World War II. So it's an extraordinary sight. The colour's a little bit more bling than we'd usually go for. Everything has been researched and matches the original there. It's very satisfying here. This is a bit different to some of the scheme in that this is really conservation and repair. There aren't many interventions in here, only kind of what's necessary to support the new functions. I think what people won't realise necessarily is the amount of coordination that's had to go into the ceiling to conceal all those services, all the ventilation, all the lights, all the sprinklers. Takes a phenomenal amount of coordination, and I don't think any of them in any way detract from the ceiling the way it's been done. And I think as well, acoustic performance is something that is important for this space because it's going to be in an event space, and we have residents living directly above here. And with a historic ceiling like this, it's not the easiest thing to control because we can't vary the existing fabric. So we've done a lot of work to seal all the air spaces and to put acoustic back boxes on some of these light fittings. You don't see any of that, but I think you can enjoy the ceiling for being simplified as a result of all that. The worst possible thing we could have done here is over-restore, so the judgment on what we conserve and what we kind of repair is critical. We have to go through a long process of samples and benchmarks to get the right level. There's a high level of finish on here. I think a lot of techniques behind the scenes that you wouldn't necessarily see. So the metal soffit panels, for example, have had to be supported behind. So we keep everything in place. What you see is all original, but to stop some of the bowing, we've just helped support it with the original fixings and a bit of reinforcement. And it's techniques like that that are concealed but provide that kind of quality of appearance.